TC, man, talk to the people, man. Day two, man. On my trip. Hey, come on, man.
He choking up.
Where your mask at?
Not her.
Where the mask at, bruh?
That's the Doritos, man.
The Doritos?
Bring them the wrong pipe.
The wrong pipe, man.
Yeah, day two. ATL.
Yes, sir.
You know what I'm saying? We're about to get some breakfast.
Yes, sir.
We're about to have a feast. We got Cal in the back. We got
Demar. We about to head and check with the girls.
Yeah.
Eat some breakfast.
What you gotta say, bro? I'm tired as hell.
Headed to North Carolina. That's where we'll be staying for the next couple of days.
My toes. I'm like, oh man, I got it. You better go get one.
Alright, I'm gonna go back to my vlogging days, man. Alright, so like chip, man. See this shit? Alright, we about to head to North Carolina for the next 3 or 4 days, and then that'll be it. But right now we're residing in Atlanta. That's where we're staying for the night, with the ladies and the men too. And then we got some itinerary all in North Carolina. So that's the agenda.
Walmart, guys.
We got stuff in Walmart.
Yeah, I need it. Yeah.
Ladies. What's up, fuck me?
Can I keep my sneakers?
I'm a tipsy already. This is my second cup.
Sure. My sneakers. I know. Can you bring them for me? I have them. I'm with you. Don't zoom in on me.
Why? You ain't get no sleep?
I can go to sleep. Hi guys, we're leaving Atlanta,
Bam.
Georgia.
Right.
We're headed to North Carolina. I don't know how to say the R word.
Raleigh.
And this is the not. Oh, we met up with the virtual team.
Okay.
Met up.
You fumbled.
I did. I was doing good.
You see, I told you I was going to you like good music. You like good music. Donna, I got you, girl. I got you. Donna, you got hoodie, you girl. You do. Hey, man. Give me some rope and I might just chill. I'll take that any day. I still do these spindles when I'm buff on me. I got some. This is her old school rap, people.
It's not that old school though. Don't tell me Run DMC. Oh yeah, Chick Daddy.
Let's go. If you want it, you can get it. Let me know. I'm about to put the shit up. Let's go. If you want it, you can get it. Let me know. I'm about to put the shit up. If you want some, come get some. Yeah, let's go. Can you sing this song for me, boo? Can you give me one more chance?
Okay, I'm gonna flip it. Niggas was really singing to the song. Nigga, give me one more chance.
Okay, now what? Alright, so what's it gonna be? Him or me? We can cruise the world with pearls and data boots to girls. The envy of all women, crushed linen, diamonds and squares with diamonds in them. I love with a passion. I gave that ass a good thrashing, high fashion. In the world of you.
guys in one, okay? What? We got personal.
Boom, 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 boom.
You think it's slick?
Boom, boom. Tell me what you got.
Give an update. Come on. Give an update.
What's the update of how the trip's going?
Yeah. What we doing?
Yo, I mean, like, really? We were in the van and what?
Same for 3 hours straight.
3 hours straight. Straight music, old school, finding yourself, inner child, energy, masculinity, femininity, love, affection, grace, embracing all the love that we receive. And
on nap time for 3 hours.
they were on that time. We were just like super vibing.
We done hyped up party
we fell
bus.
in love again. We done played our wedding songs and all. Like literally, like we
Let me
we
play.
out
I'm
here.
getting on this bus for real. I don't want to be
We
over there.
out here. Let me tell you what's funny.
sing my-
I'm not gonna put down the
When we
camera,
went to
but
True, it was the once True played, it was the connection.
yeah.
You don't know what True is.
Everybody brought out that old school
All I
vibe.
do is think of you.
All I do is think of you.
See?
Hell no.
That's why you can't get on the bus. Oh, they were we took them out of it. They had the video games.
In your bus.
I'm riding on the nursing home bus. Everybody sleep.
Bang, bang, bang. Shots fired. Shots fired. That bus.
I'm riding on the nursing home bus. You see, all of them over there want to be lit now. I bet you as soon as we get off this exit and start heading north, again. And I'm sick of it. I'm switching buses.
Yeah,
This is the bus I originally wanted to be on, but Didi said, no, let's get on the bus with the kids.
Come to the Soul Train. Come to the Soul Train bus.
Yeah. I am. Let me ask
I don't know if you noticed. Me, her, him,
We don't have room
we all young. I don't know if you noticed that.
You want to get on this exercise?
Nah, I'm the camera guy. Y'all done already?
Y'all work out.
I need my break too. Cameraman. Y'all done?
Yeah.
How much y'all did?
It's over. 20 squats.
20? Everybody did it?
I ain't gonna lie.
Everybody did it?
I worked out.
Oh man.
What did you do next this morning?
I did squats. I ran. That little rope thing with Kevin.
You lying?
And then guess what? I lift my cup like this. I was like, yeah.
That boy flaws you.
I listened to this song. So let's go. She said, like a virgin. Touch for the very first time.
Wow, Lex.
Hey, don't think come on, Lex. No, don't think come on, Lex. I'm vibing right now. Oh, look, everybody got your, everybody's running me with the sugar.
Home sweet home for the next couple days. Ladies finally made it to Raleigh, Carolina. Give them an MTV tour. Right? First reaction.
Oh, nice. Serpentine is gonna be so cozy. Wow.
Let's all realize that this is not our house for real. We're only staying here for 5 days. We're really booked here.
5 days. Walk-in closet. Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy.
fancy.
It's the life that been waiting for me.
We have something that monitors noise. And it's $1,000 fine. So please be mindful when you're here. You can't be super,
What's the decibel? Like,
it doesn't say, it just says no loud noise, music or parties, any violations of house rules, fees, $1,000.
Oh.
Noise alarm, monitoring by minute neighbors are sensitive to noise in parties.
wow.
No caregiver.
Is that's what that is?
Yeah.
It's like environmental.
I can just think though. Constable parties to check it though. This might be a party to them.
No, not enough.
Yeah, there's so many people.
Well, if they know how much people are here.
Yeah. I can definitely.
So what's on the agenda for tonight?
It's circle time, that's it.
Circle time. What's circle time?
Exactly.
Time to sit in the
Circle
circle.
time.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, thanks, Dad.
Which grocery store y'all go to?
I don't know what's in the area yet.
That's crazy.
Right now we at
I
the
like it, but I don't think it's
Mel Mansion crib.
So-
Feel me?
Okay, so.
They stay inside.
Okay, so hold up.
This is our
Anyway, he's gonna be a problem.
this our Airbnb.
He's an asset.
Surge.
He's top 3 though.
MTV Cribs. This is the master room right here. Of course, the living room / kitchen. And then we have like 3 additional bedrooms. Right now we jealous because the women got a mansion with all the rooms, pool tables in the back, patio. We got something small, but we'll adjust to it though. But this gonna wrap up the vlog for today, man.
I know. Hey, everybody, hey, hold on. Before you do that.
Oh,
everybody,
hold on.
Please come over here.
What we doing, man?
Come on, stop it.
No.
Okay, listen.
What happened,
The
son?
argument is Giannis a top 5 player right now? Top 3. He's not a top 3 because you can still got LeBron.
The people don't
You still
even
got
know.
AD.
They don't even know who you talking about. That's a wrap for today, man.